let's talk about my trash. This wig with this makeup, it's not working so well. Yes, this is a wig. I didn't just awkwardly dye my hair black again. I'm not that depressed. I should probably take this off. Wow. Yeah, I just got this in the mail, so I decided to throw it on. Black wig. Still blonde. Still very, very blonde. I hate these things, but they get the job done. I'll throw my hat back on though, because why not? But yeah, I'm gonna go through my trash. This is an Empties video. I did them all the time on my channel, and now I'm gonna do them again so I can get, rid of this stuff. So first up in my little bucket is makeup wipes. These are the Equate brand. It's just a brand that I use. They're cheap. I get them at Walmart. I love them. Technically, I don't love them. They're the only ones I buy. They work. I have a dry shampoo from Batiste. This is in the Floral and Flirty Blush. I did not like the scent, so I would not repurchase this again, but I do like the Batiste line. Is it my favorite? No. Do I have a new favorite? Yes, but Jeff hates it. I have a couple candles. So I have Marshmallow Fireside, which is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I also have Vanilla Bean Noel and Strawberry Pound Cake. I actually have my other Strawberry Pound Cake there on the camera. It's burning there. I love that scent. It smells so good. So between like Marshmallow Fireside and Strawberry Pound Cake, my two favorite scents. There is cat hair all over this because I had this set on my bookcase, and my cats would jump on my bookcase to try and eat the birds outside the window. Makes no sense. They can't see them from the bookcase, but it is what it is. I finished a Dewy set by Anastasia. This is a really good spray. I like the nozzle. I like the twist action thing here. I like the way that made my skin look. It is very dewy. Like, you can overdo it pretty quickly. The scent is okay. It's not my favorite. It's vanilla coconut. I'm not a coconut fan, but I deal with it. It's great. I actually just repurchased this with a Sephora order. This one isn't finished, but I'm gonna get rid of it. It's the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. This spray on here, like the nozzle, it is so intense. It's not like a fine mist or anything. It's like you get droplets everywhere. So I was trying to use it up, but at the end of the day, I didn't like it. I didn't like the nozzle. I don't like the scent. I didn't really care for this kind. There are other sprays, like they have a Milky Mist, which is phenomenal. They have other sprays, which are great. It's just this one, not what I like. One thing I did like from Pixie though, this is the Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. It's like a micellar cleanser. It smells like citrus. I used to be on their PR thing, and I don't think I am anymore, which is a bummer. It has like the little pump action here, the cotton pad and that. And it worked pretty well taking off makeup. It wasn't the greatest at really stubborn makeup like lash glue and some liquid lipsticks, but for like a quick cleanse, I liked it. One thing I would say about it, it did leave a little bit of a film on my face. So if you're like a lazy person, it's like, I'm just gonna use this and go to bed, you would have to rinse your face off. Otherwise it feels a little weird. But other than that, it was great. I definitely would repurchase this again. I don't know if it's at Target. I haven't really looked at the Target makeup section lately. And by lately, I mean the past 4 months. So I don't know what's new out there. I have this little, it's a 10 thing. It's for blondes. I was actually using this when I wasn't blonde, so I love the It's a 10 line. This Leave-In Miracle conditioner thing, they have the original blue bottle. I love this stuff. I swear by it. My hair misses it greatly, especially since I bleached the crap out of it, so I definitely need to pick this up. It's so pricey. I hate buying pricey hair products. I just do. But it's definitely worth it. I just need to bite the bullet and buy it. This blonde one wasn't bad. It had a bit, I want to say, yeah, it's a little bit of a purple tint up here. It has a little bit of purple tint. It's made for blonde hair, but I used it on my red hair and it was fine. But yeah, great stuff. Definitely recommend that It's a 10 line. I finally finished up the Smashbox Primer Water. I swear I've had this for way longer than I should have. It's okay. I feel like it didn't do too much either before makeup or after makeup. So what happened, I had maybe that much left, and I just started using it to wet eyeshadows or mix with pigments, and that's how I used it up. So I wouldn't repurchase this again, but it wasn't bad. It's just there's other sprays that I like a lot better. I have a couple things that I'm just getting rid of because they're older and I'm not using them. 2 being from Wet n Wild. So I have the Rose toner. It's from their Rebel Rose or Gothic Rose line, something like that. I have the toner and then the multi-usage, oh wait, that wasn't English. Rose multi-use oil. Not a fan of these. Didn't really care for the scent, and I didn't use this too much, and I don't know. Like, I like roses, but like rose scented things aren't my favorite. It's a little overpowering, and these were just a little too strong. Another thing that I'm getting rid of, this is like half empty, half full, half used, whichever way you want to look at it. This is the Pixi Overnight Glow Serum. It looks kind of gross at the top here because it leaked a bit, but I tried using this religiously, as in like every night, and I just wasn't a fan of it. I like my Drunk Elephant serums better. Serum, I only used one serum, but whatever. It was just okay. I wouldn't repurchase this again, and I'm basically getting rid of it because it is probably very expired. I didn't see a noticeable difference with my skin using it, so it is what it is. I threw this foundation in here. It's a Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Soft Ivory Light. 100% not sure why, other than maybe because I was in a decluttering kick and I kept only one shade of this instead of, I had like 2 or 3. Or maybe I have 2 and I got rid of the 3rd. I don't remember. But it's a good foundation for the price. It's pretty good. I don't have their dewy one, which I wanted to try their dewy one. I'm just getting rid of that. Pretty sure I've used it. It's just another Equate thing. Usually I have like 6 of them in here, but since I took such a long break doing my makeup, I wasn't using it. Plus I'm trying to switch to like a micellar water instead of wipes all the time, so there's that. So this is the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I love this stuff. Clearly, it's completely empty. This is probably at this point, this one is empty. This is my 3rd or 4th one. I have a current one that I am like 3/4 of the way through, and I just ordered a new one because I love this stuff so much. It works phenomenal at breaking down makeup. It works really well getting off liquid lipstick and lash glue, which is amazing. And I find that for me, it doesn't leave like a weird film on my face. I did try, which I don't have in here, I tried the Drunk Elephant, the their cleansing balm, and that left like a oily film on my face and I didn't like it. This though doesn't, and I will continue to repurchase this again and again until I find something better or they discontinue it, which I hope they don't. Please don't. I'm not gonna do close-ups of these because they're kind of gross with cat hair. But I have 2 lashes from the brand Kiss. I have Teddy, which actually I'm wearing a new pair of Teddies on my lashes now. And I have garters, which I colored red. Didn't go too well with that. These are completely like not usable anymore, so I decided to get rid of them, and I already repurchased both of these. I like 2 more skincare items, both from Drunk Elephant. So I have these minis in the Marula oil and the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. I love these. This is really great. I actually do notice a difference in my skin using it. Am I yet to buy the full-size one? Yes. Do I have a couple of the minis? Yes. This is really pricey, but it is really nice. I really like it. And then the other thing is the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. This in itself is pretty pricey too for just like a face oil, but I like it. I don't like it, like I don't ever just use it by itself. I mix it. Something that I love about Drunk Elephant products is it's like you can mix them and be one and done, and I am lazy through and through with skincare. I will admit it. So I love the fact that I can take like I'll do like my eye cream, and then I can do my serum, an oil, and moisturizer, mix it up and slather it on my face and be done for the night. I mean, it's not the only reason why I would buy that because I'm lazy, because it's fucking expensive, but it's great. Not really skincare, but it kinda is skincare. It's the Kula makeup setting spray. It has SPF in it. I do not like this stuff. I did not like it. It actually burned my face a bit, what I remember. There's still product in here. Luckily it was just like a deluxe sample size that I got, so I didn't waste money on it, but I would definitely not repurchase this for an actual like full-size price. It like I said, it burned my skin. I love the fact that it has like SPF and it's like a setting spray with SPF in it. That seems genius to me, but I don't, you know? I don't like it. Eyeliners, because I went through 3 black eyeliners, mostly, and the blue one. So I have this Colourpop one, it's called Zulu. Yep, see, that's why I was tossing it. It came apart on me. They have like the new packaging where it's like a solid color, it's not like the white in the color. I'm just dropping everything. And those seem a lot better, they're creamier to me. These ones were so dry. I don't know how people got like pigment in their waterline with them. I have this one from Urban Decay, it's Perversion. I hate that it's a wooden liner, but it's one of the best black pencils I've come across. I love it. And I actually have a new one coming to me, finally. But yeah, it became kind of unusable because like there's more of the wooden pencil than that, and if you start shaving it, it gets sharp, like the wood part, and not pleasant. I've cut my eye quite a few times doing it. Not cut, scratch, but still. And last two, I have the Anastasia Dark Side Waterproof Liner. I literally just have that much left. Not worth holding on to for that much. One, because it's that much, and it actually is pretty dry. It's hard to get the rest of the pigment out. It's just like too dried out. But it was great. I held on to this for way too long. I'm not one to just throw things away. Kinda. That's a lie. I kind of toss things. And the other one is the Pixie. It's Tightline Black. I literally have that much left. Like, look at that. It's nothing. This is a phenomenal liner too. I still like the Urban Decay one better, but this one, it's so creamy and nice. I have 3 liners that I'm getting rid of. This is from the NYX Vivid Brights. The green, the pink, and the yellow. These are quite old. The formula isn't, you know, great anymore. Like, I got them about a year ago and I really liked them, but they kind of went bad fast. They have a kind of weird smell to them. I would definitely repurchase these again. It's just, I got them Aeron paint palette, so I don't feel like I need it. I have a finished concealer. This is the Colourpop Fair 00. It's just a white one. I use this mainly for, sorry, I'm scratching my face a lot because there's just cat hair everywhere. I use this mainly for like an eyeshadow base. I would sometimes use it to brighten up my under eye, but for mainly I used it as an eyeshadow base, and it works great as an eyeshadow base. It's super bright white, and it's great for making colors pop. Colors pop, wow. Great concealer. I actually already have a backup of this. Okay, this, I'm not going to get close up because this is just gross with the cat hair. I'm going to show you the one I'm currently using. I finished this. Can you focus? Focus? Nope, okay. This is the Kiss Strip Lash Glue with Aloe. It is phenomenal. I love it. I finished it up. I have this one. I need to get a new one because this one's almost done through. But it is great. Highly recommend it. I mean, the House of Lashes lash glue is great. It's just, that is so hard to get off. I find this one is very similar, but it's easier to get off at the end of the day. I have 2 more products. One being a brow pencil. This is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is going to be, I'm a real beauty guru here. Yeah, this is the Brow Blade. It's the one that comes with the ink stain on one side and then the pencil on the other. Yeah, see, I use that. That is all the way up. I do not have any product left. This is a great pencil. The ink stand here is great. I know people sometimes use this for faux freckles. Phenomenal pencil. I will definitely pick this up again when I am back to my natural color, because this ginger color on here is fabulous. Okay, not a lot of brands can get ginger right. Okay, and last product that I finished up is the Becca Bali Sands bronzer. Oh snap, I forgot I did that. Yeah, I used it all. That's a mess. Clearly loved it, and I clearly have a new one already. I love this bronzer. It's one of the few bronzers that I got back in the day that I found worked for my skin, and just it looks okay on me. Like, I think it looks okay. I'm actually wearing it today with another product. It's layered on top, but It's whatever. It's great. I have clearly already repurchased it, and that actually lasted me. I used it almost daily, and it lasted me over 2 years. That's saying something. Yeah. That's my trash. I am happy I can finally throw all this away. I don't know why I keep doing these. Do you guys like these videos? I actually quite like watching them. I know Lan Says still does them, and I think Kathleen Light still does them. Anyways, if you guys still like them, let me know down below. I will continue to save my trash to share with you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you have not already, or if you want to. You don't have to. It'd be nice if you did, but I think that's about it though. I might link everything that I talked about down below if you're interested in trying to find it, if anything that I mentioned intrigues you. But also all my social links will be listed down below. But I'm artistryxashh pretty much everywhere but Snapchat, and I don't use Snapchat, so don't have to worry about that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Until next time, see ya! Walking along my path for too